What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Miami Auto Brothers. One Low Magma here, gonna come at you today with the Honda headlamps. We're gonna be replacing both headlamps on this Honda. This is good for 2003 to 2007. It's very similar process to most of these Hondas and Civics. Basically, we're gonna have to partially remove the front bumper to drop it down to gain access to the bottom of the headlamp. It might look a little difficult, but once you get into it, you're gonna see just how quick it is. We're gonna drop off a couple bolts on the side, a couple on the inside right here, and then a bracket that comes around the side. We're gonna swap it out. We got some new ones that are gonna go on and make this baby look brand new. Let's get into it. First thing we're gonna have to do is take off this top radiator support cover. Basically, it's all these little clips, so you wanna go around and take off all these clips. You gotta be gentle because they do break apart. You see somebody's already been in here, a couple are broken, but we're gonna try to be careful. We're gonna pop them all out. That's gonna give us access to the top bolts that are on top of the headlamp up here, and also across the top here, because we're gonna partially drop this bumper down. We also need to loosen a Phillips screw on either side. So the easiest way is to just get your wheel, turn it, get in here to one screw, turn the wheel the other way, do the other side, so you can pop it out. So now with the cover off, we can get to the bolts. You can see here's one of the top bolts. Here's the other bolt. There's also two down in here, and we're gonna get to the bracket across the top. This bumper really just pries right off. Now that we loosen the sides, you pop it out, pop. Here it is, see, there it goes. Now over here. Now with the bumper partially pulled down, now we can get to the bolts on the side. Right there, 10 millimeter, two 10 millimeters, this one and this one. And then we're gonna pull the lamp out. Now with our headlamp loose, we're gonna bring it out. Here's all the wiring. What I like to do is keep the bulb on the wire. Just make sure your bulbs are good, don't throw them. Pull them out one by one, take a look at your bulbs. Bulbs look good. Now you could take your headlamp, and we're gonna have to transfer this bracket. So the lower bracket only has this one 10 millimeter bolt, and then you're gonna want to transfer it over to your new headlamp. Aftermarket headlamps do have a little bit of a different fit, so you do have to manipulate some of the stuff a little bit. I'm just squeezing it from one side. I'm gonna tighten down the bolt nice and tight, and then I'll tighten this one when we're on the car. Fresh. And now with our fresh headlamp, we're gonna install the bulbs right back into it. That's correct. Boom. And twist. Make sure you hear it click in there, so it's nice and tight. Now we're gonna, just like the opposite, we're gonna slide it right back in. Now we can slide our bumper back on. Don't worry about that. Make sure you're getting it up inside the clips. And then you come around. Make sure you're putting it in its retainers right down the center. And you'll know because it'll clip into place. And that's it. Once you tighten it all up, you got your brand new headlamps in. So stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. Any comments, or if this video helped you out, give us a comment. Drop a comment, please. Thank you.